The world is growing at an alarming rate. Information, population, and if the world of agriculture doesn't grow with it, well, it's a huge problem. We are Unity Cloud Ware, and this is Smart Farming. The blueberry farmer will walk several times a day to water his crop, as he simply does not know the moisture in his soil. B2C interviews have shown us that most farms in BC do not have an automated data collection on their farms today. Farmers are piecing together technologies, mostly by manual entry and simply intuition. The framework works, but the need for innovation is fast approaching, with the next generation of farmers coming along and without the skills that the farmers before them had. We have listened to a number of real issues on the farm today, and we have discovered that automated data entry generated by sensors depicted onto a shared application is exactly what the farmer needs to move forward, and exactly what the farming industry needs to move forward. We have discovered there are a number of companies in IoT providing help in this area. We've also discovered that not one has put together an umbrella to support farmers on the different activities on their farm today. Unity Cloud Ware has put that platform together for farmers to collect data, to provide analytics for forward thinking, making individual advances in their own field of agriculture. Like asset management, where the farmer can track their machines, record the fuel usage, the time, depreciation, repairs, and much more. We have established a number of areas on the farm like this, where efficiency is key to the bottom line, equaling time and money. We provide an accurate understanding of exactly where this bottom line begins, through data collection. Presenting the LTE-M network, connecting recorded data from different areas of the farm depicted onto a shared application, producing analytics and performance charts instantly. In addition, we'll provide a shared chat for users to work smarter together. We are the first movers, and our clients are the early adapters. Our team has advanced experience in IoT development and a long history in agriculture, making Unity Cloud Ware the best team for smart farming. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.